But I held on and kept on going. Attending the library 2 to 3 times a week, homework chapters, Zoom meetings, quizzes, portfolios, professional portfolios, philosophy statements, competency statements. I know my colleagues can attest to that.
It signifies that you have acquired the necessary skills, knowledge, and that you are competent to work effectively with young children and support their development. Today is your day, GBA teachers. Take what you have learned in this program to equip our future doctors, lawyers, teachers, entrepreneurs, and world leaders with the foundational skills needed to be productive citizens in life. To you today, we say congratulations, John Will.
And we rockin' and we rollin'. Yeah, we rockin' and we rollin' and we rollin' and we rollin' and we rollin' and we rockin' and we rockin' and we rollin'. We rockin' and we rollin' and we rollin' and we rockin' and we rockin'. Yeah, I got rockin' in here. I got everybody moving in those stars.
Who needs water? I'm a water girl.
I got everybody moving in those stars. Stick your booty out.